Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore how the situation at the moment during memorial ceremony in Legian Street, because there was on 12th of October 2002 there was the first bombing in Bali. Okay guys, let's check it out. Hello guys, where are you today? Yeah, I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today on 12th of October 2021 there is memorial ceremony on Ground Zero Legian Street. There was boom on 2002 in this area. Okay guys, enjoy the video until the end. And if you don't mind, if you just find this channel, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video, because I believe there is a lot of people want to know the situation at the moment on this ceremony, because there was a lot of Australians die in this area when the first bombing. The total people who died was 203 from some different country, but mostly who died is from Australia. The boom happening was on 12th October 2002 on 10 p.m. When the booming happening, after around 40 minutes, I be in this area to see exactly what's happening there. It's very so sad. It's very sad story, but I want to talk a lot about the story. I'm very sad because I see so many people die there. You see monument at the front? Yes, there is the name who people die when boom was happening there. This ceremony starts from around 5 p.m. until 8 p.m. Okay guys, if you just find the channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment, also you can share this video because there is a lot of people missing Bali. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new situation in Bali during this pandemic corona. Thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.